Hello and welcome back to Modding Episode 3. Now, I was just playing some Minecraft on our survival Let's Play world and I was recording. That was fine. But, yeah, disaster happened. So if I think I accidentally deleted the beginning of the video. But, if it does come out, yeah. But, anyway, that's not what we're doing today. Today we're continuing on with our modding. So just going to open up Eclipse. It's not that one. It's this one. And today we're going to be adding in an ingot or a gem. Now, under your public class, we need to space it out a little bit. And type in // gem or ingot. Doesn't really matter because it doesn't read it. It's just for sorting. And first of all, we need to create a new class. A class is one of these things. So, we can get rid of that now. But we've got blockdark.java and mod_jimmy.java. They're our Java class. So you want to go to client, source, net Minecraft source. And in there, you're going to right click, new, class. And we want to call this with a capital I, item. I think it's either item say J. Item_Jimmy, and highlight this. Actually, no, get the coding for item. Control A, copy, and highlight this, and just press Control V. We'll get a few errors. 1 minute, let me check that I've done that right. Well guys, I completely messed up, so what we want to do is just delete that class by scrolling down, finding it, right click and delete. Just press continue if it says unsaved stuff. So you want to go and create a new class. We want to call it item, capital I, and then rename it. No underscores, the dot, so just say item red gem. Or just call it item red gem. And yeah, so you want to highlight this code and paste that other code back in. We're not done yet, you'll get a few errors. So now we want to get the public static final code. Control C, and where it says gem, just paste that in. And now we've got this. So where it says item name, I want to change it to item red gem. Here we go. We haven't defined it yet, so we'll get an error there. So where it says name, just put wherever you want there. Name here, you just want to put, say, red gem. So now we need to go in here and we need to change where it says item name to item red gem. And the same here. Red gem. And there we go. All errors should have gone. Now this is the stack size. This is don't go over 64 with this. Do not go over 64, otherwise you'll get a crash. But yeah, so just leave that 64 if you want, or you can say 10. We'll make ours 20. Nothing stacks up to 20, so it's you could have whatever number up to 64. So you could have it like stacks in ones. So You have to have like a lot of inventory space. So we've got that. This is the item ID 2085. You need to make sure this is not taken by any other item mod or anything in this game. So yeah. And also, now 1.4.7 is out, we do not need to update our mod, because our mod already works for Minecraft 1.4.7, as it's a 1.4.6 mod. And so now we need to get the public void load for our block. This is the block, maybe? Is this the block? No, this isn't. This is the PVL. Yeah. So it's definitely recording. And in our public void load, space it out a little bit. We're gonna add some more on here, because no, before we didn't add a crafting recipe. We are now. So // gem. Oh. And just paste that code right in. So name here, scroll up, red gem. Copy that. The public void load is exactly the same every time. Need to make sure we get that right. So in-game name, we'll just call it red gem. It's going to be our red gem, and now we need to set up the pick. Yeah, so let me show you how to edit a gem. 1 minute. C B. So we'll rename this to red gem, and you want to right click with it, open with paint.net, GIMP, Photoshop, anything. Paint.net's good because it's free, but try not to use paint. Paint's not so good. And just zoom in and just change it to whatever one you want. So I'll just change mine to just red. So it'll just be a red gem. That's one problem with paint.net, that issue. Doing it with pixels, it doesn't like doing it that much. And we'll just colour this in. Just do it quickly. Oh, damn it. And make sure it's all solid colours. Like, if you're like little pixel like that, that'll be fine. But if it's off, like, say like that, that won't like to register and you'll get a crash. So yeah. So, and then we'll just put, say, an eye in it. Dodgy eye. There we go. And that will be our gem. So now we've got our gem, we can add to our block edit now. So now we need to highlight this block edit, just press Ctrl C and go into Eclipse, go into the public void load where we had our dark block, and right underneath just paste that in. So where it says item, we just need to put our red gem. Copy. V, and it should register. And name block, so we need it dark block, so copy V. So that's that edit, and now we need to get this, so we'll just change this to red gem, and we'll get our creative tab So this is how I got my gem working. Because remember before I did the block so I couldn't get the gem working. But now I can. So right on the end of your public static final code, right where that, just paste this right in here. And why are we getting an error? There we go. Just get rid of that semicolon just so it's the end of that code. I don't know why it gave us an error down here. So yeah, so now all we need to do is put our picture into our moddings folder. So open up your modding folder, go into bin, Minecraft, items, and just copy that, and then go back into bin, go into Eclipse, client, bin, net, Minecraft's client. I did that wrong. Have we not got a folder in here? Oh my god. Why have we not got a folder in here? Did I not do one? Okay then, we'll just copy this into net.org argo. That's really weird. It's a bit strange. What did I put it in? Did I put it in jars? No. Really, really weird, everyone. But now if we press play, we shouldn't get any errors. Here we go. You can update your MCP if you want to, but I'm not going to bother. And if we go into materials, here is our red gem. So now if we get 9 of these, and we grab ourselves a workbench, and we make 9 in this square, we get 1 dark block. Now that is, when I first did that I thought, oh my god, I'm finally doing something. But yeah, that's just the beginning. We're going to be adding like feel enchantable items, swords, picks, shovels, hoes, axes, armor, all sorts. So that is the end of this tutorial, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you just exit off and save your Eclipse. You don't want to lose everything. So I hope you enjoyed, everyone, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye, everyone.